a shower, right? Papi está haciendo ejercicios.
El de está diciendo, what the hell? No era que tú no podías mover los pies. What's going on here?
Longer?
She's like, Mom, hold on. There's things happening here. I don't understand. This guy's mowing his legs. He wasn't supposed to.
Ay, Dios mío, bebecito, ¿qué estará pasando ahí, mi amor?